Hello, welcome to Mr. Ralph's Teaching More Math. Here's Go Math Lesson 1.6 today. Today, as you can see right here, we are adding whole numbers. Go and add in, that should be easy. Well, hopefully it is. So, like I said, they do a ton of story problems. Actually, what you're going to find out is when we get to the math test, it's all story problem based. My hope is to get your students ready and prepared by that point. But let's look at this. Alaska is the largest state in the United States by area. Its land area is, and they've already did this for you, but I tell my students to underline or circle the important things, is 570,374 square miles, and its water surface area is 86,051 square miles. What is the total area? Now, this is what I would be pointing out to students. Total is going to let you know that you got to add these. So I'm going to take 570,374 plus and the key is just to make sure your students line things up. That's why they do the place value lessons beforehand. Okay, now 4 plus 1 is 5. Good. 7 plus 5. We know that 7 plus 3 is 12, or 10, and I've got to add 2 more, which is 12. But this is the big no-no, remember. We don't write down 12. We have to carry that 1, or that 10s, and bring it over. So now we got 3 plus 1. Don't ever forget to add that. That's what students like to do. Nothing to carry over. So if it's above 10, so 7 plus 2 is more than 10, so I have to carry. If it's above 10, I have to carry, or they like the term regrouping now. I'm going to bring my comma down. 0 plus 6 is 6. Now 7 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. And then I would take 5 plus 5 more is 15, or 8 plus 7 is 15. So remember, my 5 goes here, and I'm going to carry there. 5 plus this 1 is 6. So 656,425. Okay, so all we're doing here is adding. They are going to want you to estimate. I'm not going to make students estimate on every problem, though. Estimating is just rounding. Let me show you what I mean here on a problem. If you're going to estimate, I tell my students always estimate to the biggest number. Okay, so we're going to round from this number, so we look right here. Now remember, if it's 1 through 4, it stays the same. 5 through 9 goes up. 3 is 1 through 4, so I would put 100,000 here. And then on this one, I'm going to change that number. This is 2 if it's this 1 through 4 category, so it stays the same. So I would write 50,000. Remember, every number off to the right of it just becomes 0. Now if I add that, I got 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 1. So that is my estimation. Now I can add this. So let's get rid of some of these circles so it's not so confusing, and I'll have to rewrite this number. So I got 1, we'll go back to green, 1, 3, and I think this was 52. So, whoa. Sorry about that. That's 52. So now we can add. 8 plus 1 is, you got it, it's 9. 9, 10, 11, 12. So remember, my 2 comes down here, and I bring my 10 over. And I have no idea what number that is. That was supposed to have been a 0 that got erased. So 6 plus 0 plus 1 is 7. Bring down my comma. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So 189,729. That's all we're doing. First you want to estimate, then you want to add. Just make sure that when you are adding, your students are regrouping and not forgetting that regroup number up there. That tends to what happened because we're in such a rush that I gotta get it done super fast. And so I forget that group number up there, and it completely changed the answers. If I can check this answer, I can take this minus this and go 19025. 9 minus is 8. I can't do 2 minus 9, so I gotta come over and borrow from there and then make that a 12, which is 3, 6, 7, 3, 1. That number matches up there, which it does. It is correct. So biggest thing in this lesson is add, and don't forget to regroup. Okay, don't, for instance, if I got 59 plus 46, I have 9 plus 6 is 15. I've got to put my 5 there and bring in my 10 over here, or that 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. See, the biggest thing is I can't forget this number when I'm going so fast. So 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10. There's nothing else. I could put it up there, but there's nothing there, so I just bring it down. So my answer is 105. So this is lesson 1.6. I hope you enjoyed. Join me next time as I teach lesson 1.7. Adios.